Uh, Molweni to all the learners who are doing economics, grade 12. So now, play video, I'll be just explaining the topics that are expected by zenziwe by the learners who are doing grade 12 for term 2. As you all know now, we are moving to the second term, which is now term 2. So under economics, grade 12 for term 2, we have the two main topics for this term. The first main topic is called microeconomics. Then the second one is called contemporary economic issues. So we have these two main topics for term 2. We have the microeconomics, we have the contemporary economic issues. Each main topic in a subheadings zayo. So under the microeconomics, we have three subheadings there. We have the perfect market, we have the imperfect market. Under the imperfect market is whereby we have the oligopoly, the monopoly, and the monopolistic competition. And then lastly, we have the market failures. So those three are the subtopics under the microeconomics. And then the second main topic is called contemporary economic issues. Then again, there we have three subtopics under that main topic. We have the inflation, we have tourism, environmental sustainability. So now, as you all know, nizawubhala as grade 12 nizawubhala ngoMay and June, nibhala i-mid-year exam. The mid-year exam niyibhalayo got two papers. There's paper 1 and paper 2. So which is paper 1 kulo msebenzi ubuwenzile from January up until March, which is now umsebenzi we-macroeconomics. But now for paper 2, your paper 2 for grade 12, it's either you write between these two topics. It's either izaba microeconomics or it can be contemporary economic issues, which is now, it normally depends. They prefer to start with micro, they prefer to start contemporary economic issues. So now they are given a choice to choose between these two topics. Abazawuqala ngayo topic between these two topics. Others they can start with the micro, then others they can start with economic issues. But according to the ATP, iqala ngephi yona apha ATP, iqala nge-microeconomics, which is now the perfect market, imperfect market, and the market failure. So now these two topics zona under paper 2 work. But for the learners who are doing grade 12, they will be only writing one topic for paper 2. It's either the microeconomics or the economic issues for May and June exams. But now, for the learners who will be rewriting May and June, which is both topics kubo zizawuphuma ku paper 2 xa bebhala May and June for their examination. Those learners will be rewriting. But for learners who are doing grade 12, there will be only one topic ezawuphuma for paper 2. It's between these two topics. It can be microeconomics or economic issues. Kubo ke it depends kotishara, or it depends kwizikolo uba ngabe eso sikolo eso sona sichuza eyiphi na topic for paper 2. But for learners who will be rewriting, both topics will appear on their examination when they are writing paper 2, both economic issues and microeconomics. Thank you.